Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that's got the AI world buzzing, Hugging Face HUGS. What are HUGS? HUGS stands for Hugging Face Generative AI Services. They're basically prepackaged, optimized AI models ready for you to deploy. Think of it like a meal kit for AI. You get all the ingredients you need, prepped and ready to go. Why are people excited about HUGS? They make it easier to use open source AI models. Before HUGS, getting these models up and running could be a real headache involving lots of technical know-how. HUGS aims to make that process much smoother. They're designed to be super efficient. HUGS are optimized to run on different types of hardware, like NVIDIA and AMD GPUs, and soon even AWS Inferentia and Google TPUs. This means you can get the best performance out of your setup. They use the same API as OpenAI. This means if you're already using OpenAI's models, switching to HUGS should be relatively painless. Your code should work with minimal changes. HUGS versus NVIDIA's NIMs. Now you might be thinking, hang on, doesn't NVIDIA offer something similar with their inference microservices, NIMs? You're right, they do. But there are some key differences. HUGS seem to be more cost-effective. While both services charge $1 per hour, HUGS charges that per container, whereas Nims charge per GPU. Since large models can span multiple GPUs, this can add up quickly in NVIDIA's favor. HUGS support a wider variety of hardware. This gives you more flexibility in choosing your setup. Right now, HUGS focus on open source models. NIMs, on the other hand, support both open and closed models. How to get started with HUGS? Want to give HUGS a try? Here are your options. Cloud marketplaces. You can find HUGS on AWS and Google Cloud. Microsoft Azure support is coming soon. DigitalOcean. HUGS are natively available on DigitalOcean's GPU droplets. Hugging Face Enterprise Hub. If you have a subscription, you can access HUGS through their Enterprise Hub. Pricing HUGS generally use an on-demand pricing model. AWS and Google Cloud, $1 per hour per container, plus compute costs. DigitalOcean, no additional cost beyond regular GPU droplet fees. Enterprise Hub, custom pricing. So there you have it, a quick rundown of Hugging Face HUGS. It's definitely an exciting development in the world of open source AI, making powerful models more accessible to developers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI news and tutorials. And let me know in the comments what you think of HUGS. Will you be giving them a try?